Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my ginger brother and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Mark speaking. Hope I'm not talking too fast. Alright, I've done this on the live and it doesn't seem like it went across as well as it's supposed to. This video is basically about my YouTube equipment. I'm just going to give some information on it, show you the type of equipment that I have, and also try to include the costs and the links. Now that is going to take a little work for me because I've been buying equipments for the past year, so most of them I don't remember the price. Most of them they're out of the website history that I use, the browser history and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you the equipments now, and I'm just going to go into details what I use them for, and you know, the cost and stuff like that once I remember them. So the first thing that we're going to look at right here, this is the light that I bought recently. I bought this light on Amazon. It's called a newer LED light. You're looking at the back of the light right now. This is the battery section. As you can see, it has a sprung here for the, I think this is the AA batteries. You can use a AA battery, or sorry, you can buy this battery right here. I'll put the link, I'll put the link in the description for you. So this is the battery that is used, and I'll show you how it plugs into the back of it. Now turn it around. This is the light itself. So these are the bulbs, and this is just the shade to protect your eyes and stuff like that, because it's very, very bright. Also about the battery charger. So this battery charger comes with 2 batteries. I get 2 batteries with this battery charger for $32, and I'll set the link there because I bought it recently, so I still have the link there. It's in the newer brand, so that brand right there, to charge up the battery to use. Alright, so I'm going to put the cover over it, and I'm going to turn it on and just give you a little view of it. Alright, so snap it in place. Alright, as you can see, the sprung there and here, I'm going to slide it in this way. Boom, slide it in. There's a little button right here. You can press the light to see if it's on. So you see, it's giving me 3 lights there. So that means it's almost ready to be charged. So now I'm going to turn it over. Also, you have this little connection thingy here that you can connect to the tripod. And this tripod is very, very cheap. I got this tripod in Walmart for I think about $15. So this is what I use pretty much. So I'm going to hook it up now and show. Alright, so there you go. Well, I'm going to show the whole of my house. Alright, so here it is, the light. It's going to turn on right now. So that's the light right there, as you can see. And I can turn it up really, really bright. It's just going to focus on it there. So it's turned up. Boom. So it refocuses. So as you can see, so this is how it looks. This is my hand right here, and this is the size of it. So you can see, boom, and this covering. So it's very small but bright. It's small, but it's very, very bright. As you can see, I'm shining the light in my room. Boom. So this is the extreme. So this is the extreme brightness it has. So that's how bright it is, and it only costs $32. So the next thing I'm going to look at now is this little tripod thingy that I have right here. So this now connects the light and the camera that I have in my hand. So you see these holes right here in the middle, they connect to the tripod, and then you connect the light on one end, you connect the camera on one end, and this is very, very cheap. It's just a piece of iron that has the holes and stuff. It's very, very cheap. It costs about $8. I'll put the link below. So this I have right here is a Manfrotto tripod. I also have a next cheaper tripod that I'm using to hold the camera right now. So that one I have, and I'm using it to film. So yeah, those are the equipments I have. That the stand that you see there, that is where I put my light and shine it down. This is a wall mount that I drilled out the wall and connected it to. This is a glass thing right there. The computer that I'm using, the desktop that I'm using, it is custom built. I buy the parts and I build it myself. It costs a lot, but I bought it, I built it. It has a i5. It has an Intel i5 core processor. It's good to process all my videos. It has a 2 terabyte hard drive inside. Also have the multimedia card reader, which is right here. Of the multimedia card reader, which is right here. DVD player, USB 3. You know, those the works. The webcam that I use for my live stream is the Brio webcam, the new Logitech Brio webcam. That is the webcam I use for my live streams right there. The software that I use for my live stream is called the OBS, which I'm going to open for you right now, so you can actually see what the OBS is like. So that's the OBS right there. I'm going to lift up the lid so you can actually see my face. So now, yeah, this is very good. Luckily I have this. So you see the Brio, it is very bright, and this is the camera I'm using, and this is the cheap tripod that I buy. Right, so now I'm going to flip around the screen. So as you can see, the camera screen. So this is how I used to look when I'm looking at you guys are talking. I'm looking at the side. I'm not looking at the top like those high-tech cameras. So that's why my eyes are, you know, all over the place, and I'm trying to look because I'm looking at the screen at the side, and it's very difficult. So this is the Nikon Coolpix S6900, and it's for $189. I buy it in Walmart. You can also get it on Amazon. So that's just a part of my equipment. The OBS is an open source software that you can use to live stream. As you can see my big old face and stuff. Let me enlarge it and show you. So that's my big face right there that you can actually see. Look at that fancy stuff. You see all those cameras and stuff at the side. But yeah, so yeah, that is what I use to, you know, do my videos, my new live streams and stuff like that. So that is what I use basically. I know to get this, to minimize this back to the car now. So that's all in the setup. This is my editing software, Premiere Pro, that I use to edit my videos. I want to edit one of the videos right now. So this is the Premiere Pro that I used to edit. Which project did I do yesterday? I did that one yesterday. So it's not hard, it's easy. Just need the equipment, need your software and stuff. What else can I show you? Yeah, that's pretty much, you know, the keyboards have light, the mouse have light, you know, fancy stuff that I buy for cheap. You know, you can go online and check them out. So, you know, if you're starting YouTube, ensure that you have your equipment, ensure that you invest in them, ensure that you do your research, so you have the tools at your disposal that can use. They're not the best, they're not, you know, to make high-end video or skits or them things there take a lot more resources, but, you know, so use what you have. And just try your best to, you know, bring out your craft, bring out, you know, show people who you are on YouTube, and they will understand and work with you, you know. So thanks for watching, guys. I covered everything. Yeah, I think I covered everything. Just those little stuff that I have. So that's what I use to make my videos and stuff. So, you know, thanks for watching JVLOGS. I hope this was informative. I hope this helped. Melissa, big up yourself. Skylife, Melissa from Skylife. She's a Jamaican blogger. You know, she have a really nice vibe when she's vlogging. So I want to big her up. You know, she ask me what light I use and stuff. So you know, this helps when people ask, so you can make a video about it. So I hope you enjoy this, Melissa. Big up your channel. Like your list tongue too. She have a piece of list tongue there, but you know she have good vibes. She real, you know, she real. So really like that. So you know, big up yourself, everybody, and thanks for watching JVLOGS again. I'm going to edit this right now and post it. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to post it tonight. So I'm just going to edit it and see how quick I can post it. It's 8:27 now, so you can time me. So come.